Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to get a refund on Amazon without returning the item. This can be incredibly useful for damaged products, low-value items, or situations where shipping the product back just doesn't make sense. Before we dive in, if you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. Open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Go ahead and sign into your account with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Amazon homepage where we can begin the refund process. Now, here's an important note before we continue. Amazon only offers this option for eligible orders, so the exact refund path may not appear on every purchase. It typically depends on the item's price, condition, and Amazon's policies at the time. Keep that in mind as we move forward. Next, hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Orders. This will take you to a page displaying all your recent purchases and order history. Although I don't have any orders right now, I'll walk you through the next steps so you know exactly what to do. Once you're on your orders page, locate the specific order you want to request a refund for. You'll see options next to each item. Click on Return or Replace Items or Problem with your order, depending on what appears for your specific purchase. The wording can vary slightly based on the item type and order status, but both options will lead you to the refund request process. Now, select the item you want to return and choose the reason that best matches your problem. Amazon provides a list of common issues like item damage, defective, or not as described. Pick the one that accurately reflects your situation. Look carefully for an option like Request Refund or a returnless refund path if Amazon shows it. This is the key step. If Amazon determines the item is eligible for a no-return refund, this option will be clearly visible. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, we'll address that shortly. Type a short explanation if a comment box appears, and mention why you cannot return the item. Be honest and straightforward. For example, you might say the item arrived damaged and it's not practical to ship back, or that the product is defective and you'd prefer a refund without the hassle of return shipping. Click Submit or the Next Confirmation button to send your request. Amazon will now review your case, and this usually happens fairly quickly, often within a few hours to a day. Check your email and your Amazon order page for the refund decision or status update. Amazon will notify you whether your request has been approved and when you can expect the refund to appear in your account. Keep an eye on both your inbox and the order details page. If no return option appears during the process, contact Amazon customer service from the help section and ask whether the order is eligible for a refund without return. Sometimes speaking directly with a representative can help clarify your options, especially if the automated system doesn't offer a returnless refund upfront. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process to request a refund on Amazon without having to return the item. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.